Hi, in this video I'd like to introduce PH232 T485Y11 and tell you how you can use this product. This product is a bi-directional RS232 and TTL UART to RS485 and RS422 converter. Also, you can use TTL UART input for direct connection to microcontroller systems. Some of the important features of this product that categorized it in industrial class is the protection against electrical shocks and electromagnetic noises. It also has 3 kV optical and electrical insulation, which has a great effect on eliminating noises like electromagnetic noise, which are coming from contacts changing in electromotors or ESD voltages such as surge or lightning. This is the product packaging. I open it. The content is including a PH232 T485Y11 that I take out of the plastic cover. In one side it has RS232 DCE port with 9 pins DB9 female connector. It also has TTL UART port with a screw terminal. At the other side, it has RS485, RS422, and power port with a screw terminal. Also note that this device can work with any DC voltage from 8 to 48 volts, so you can use any available DC industrial power supply in your project, for example 24 volts DC. This device also has the capability to install directly on the DIN array. Furthermore, we have a quick start guide, a DB9 cable, and a CD which includes the user guide and datasheet. The device setup is easy. This device supports all RS485 network topologies such as point-to-point and multi-point. It also supports point-to-point and multi-drop in RS422 mode. To configure the device, connect the RS232 port to the computer using a standard male-to-female cable. One of these cables is provided with the product. Then open a serial port test software such as Microsoft Hyperterminal. A copy of it is in the product CD in the utility folder with the settings 96008N1. Turn on the device. As you see, when the device is turned on, it is possible to change the device setting. To change settings, enter number 1. In this section, you can change Baud-Rate, data length, parity, and stop bit. After making the changes, enter number 5 to save the settings. Then continue working with the device. As you know, the RS485 standard consists of a pair of differential signals. To use the RS485 section, make the necessary connection according to the diagram. When you send data from the master, the slave receives it. And when the slave sends data, the master receives it. This communication is half-duplex. To use the RS422 section, make the necessary connection according to the diagram. When you send data from the master, the slave receives it. And when a slave sends data, the master receives it. This communication is full duplex. The point that I want to make at the end is that this converter has an end-of-line or termination resistor, which is a 120 ohm inside them, and you don't need to add these resistors. Finally, feel free to contact us via email support@IPElectronix.com or WhatsApp number and ask your technical question. Thank you for watching this video.